Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you daily cipher code of 14 July. So the first step you simply need to go is to open Telegram and then you simply need to open Hamster Kombat. So once you open, you simply need to click on play and once it is started, so it takes few seconds. So let me close this. Okay, once it is open, so let me collect coin. Here you can see daily cipher. You need to click on that. If you tap once, it will add dot. If you hold for a while, it will add space. So I mentioned the daily cipher code for the 14 July in the pinned comment. So you simply need to go and check it out. And if you find any issue in using that, you simply need to comment as well. So I will reply you as soon as possible. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.